Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's evolving rapidly, and it's changing our world in profound ways. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. This essay will explore the fascinating world of AI, delving into its history, its inner workings, and the transformative impact it's having on industries across the globe. Join us as we embark on this insightful journey into the heart of AI. Artificial intelligence, in its simplest form, is the ability of a computer or machine to mimic human intelligence. This encompasses a wide range of capabilities, including learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and even creativity. AI systems are designed to analyze information, recognize patterns, and adapt their behavior based on the data they process. At the heart of AI are algorithms, which are sets of instructions that guide the system's behavior. These algorithms allow AI to process information, make predictions, and learn from its experiences. The goal of AI is to create machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, ultimately enhancing our capabilities and automating complex processes. AI is rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From the virtual assistants that respond to our voice commands to the algorithms that personalize our social media feeds, AI is quietly working behind the scenes, shaping our experiences and influencing our decisions. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on our lives will only become more profound. The seeds of AI were sown in the mid-20th century, with pioneers like Alan Turing laying the theoretical groundwork for intelligent machines. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference, marking the official birth of this groundbreaking field. Early AI systems were limited in their capabilities, often focusing on solving specific problems like playing checkers or proving mathematical theorems. Over the decades, AI research has experienced periods of both rapid progress and frustrating stagnation. The development of more powerful computers, the availability of vast datasets, and breakthroughs in machine learning algorithms have fueled a recent surge in AI capabilities. Today, AI is being applied to a wide range of real-world problems, from diagnosing diseases to composing music. The journey of AI is far from over. As researchers continue to push the boundaries of this technology, we can expect to see even more astonishing breakthroughs in the years to come. The evolution of AI is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of creating machines that can rival and even surpass our own intelligence. Section 4. The many faces of AI: narrow, general, and superintelligence. AI is not a monolithic entity, but rather a spectrum of capabilities. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is the most common type of AI we encounter today. These systems are designed to perform specific tasks, such as facial recognition, spam filtering, or playing chess. They excel in their designated domains, but lack the general intelligence and adaptability of humans. General AI, or strong AI, represents a level of intelligence that rivals human capabilities. This type of AI would be able to understand, learn, and reason across a wide range of domains, seamlessly adapting to new situations and solving complex problems. While general AI remains a theoretical concept, it is a long-term goal for many AI researchers. Superintelligence, the most speculative and potentially transformative type of AI, refers to a hypothetical form of intelligence that surpasses human capabilities in every aspect. Superintelligent AI would possess an unparalleled ability to learn, reason, and solve problems, potentially leading to profound advancements in science, technology, and even our understanding of the universe. Section 5. Learning from data: how AI adapts and evolves. One of the key characteristics that distinguishes AI is its ability to learn and adapt. Machine learning, a subfield of AI, focuses on developing algorithms that enable systems to learn from data without explicit programming. These algorithms can identify patterns, make predictions, and improve their performance over time. Deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning, utilizes artificial neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain. These networks consist of interconnected nodes that process and transmit information, allowing the system to learn complex patterns and relationships within data. The ability of AI to learn from data is essential for its adaptability and its potential to solve complex real-world problems. As AI systems are exposed to more data, they become increasingly proficient in their designated tasks. This continuous learning process allows AI to adapt to changing circumstances, improve its accuracy, and expand its capabilities. The data-driven nature of AI is key to its transformative potential. Section 6. AI in action transforming industries. AI is no longer confined to the realm of research labs. It is rapidly being adopted across industries, transforming the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop personalized treatment plans, and accelerate drug discovery. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, identify patterns in patient data, and assist doctors in making more accurate diagnoses. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud, automate trading decisions, and provide personalized financial advice. AI algorithms can analyze market trends, assess risk, and optimize investment portfolios. In manufacturing, AI is being used to optimize production processes, improve quality control, and predict equipment failures. AI-powered robots can collaborate with human workers, enhancing efficiency and productivity. These are just a few examples of the countless ways AI is being applied across industries. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and transformative applications emerge in the years to come. Section 7. Ethics and the future of AI. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it is crucial to address the ethical considerations surrounding its development and deployment. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for AI to perpetuate and amplify existing societal biases. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they may make decisions that discriminate against certain groups of people. Another concern is the impact of AI on employment. As AI-powered systems become capable of performing tasks that were once done by humans, there is a risk of widespread job displacement. It is essential to consider the societal implications of AI and develop strategies to mitigate potential negative consequences. Despite the challenges, AI also holds immense promise for addressing some of the world's most pressing problems. AI could be used to develop sustainable solutions to climate change, improve global health outcomes, and enhance education for all. The future of AI depends on our ability to harness its power responsibly, ensuring that it benefits all of humanity. AI is not just a technology, it's a revolution shaping our world. Stay tuned to Enchanting Vibes for more insights into the fascinating world of AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.